Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if today is your first time on my channel, like, subscribe and comment down below. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these sumptuous delicious egusi. Let's get started. These are my ingredients: crayfish, salt, Maggi cube, but I'm not going to be using it because it's in my chicken stock. Cut Uziza leaf, known as nutmeg, chopped onion, blended egusi, chicken stock, chicken, blended tomato mix, stockfish, cow skin, shredded dry fish, and lastly palm oil. Here I'm adding the chopped onion into the heated palm oil. And allow it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I am going to add the blended tomato mix, which contains tomato, tatashe known as red bell pepper, garlic, 1 large onion, and Scotch bonnet. And then give it a good stir. And let it fry for about 8 minutes. And next we mix the blended egusi with some warm water to make a paste. Then we gently scoop with spoon into the pot. And we use the spoon to prevent thickness and leave for 5 minutes. As you can see, it has fried. So I'm going to stir to avoid it from burning under. Here you just keep stirring to give this consistent look. Next, we add our stockfish, cow skin, shredded dry fish, all together at once. Then we add chicken stock. We add the well-cooked chicken into the pot. Here you add water as desired. I prefer to add a little water, but some people prefer more water in their soup. After we stir, so it can be well mixed. We add crayfish and stir to mix. Next, we add African nutmeg known as ehuru. And some salt for taste. And cover to simmer for about 5 minutes. Now, as you can see, it's almost ready. And we add the Uziza leaf. Stir. And we cover it to cook for about 3 minutes. Yummy! Our egusi soup is now ready. Look how beautiful it is. It smells so good in here. I can't wait to have this sumptuous, delicious egusi with Semo. And here is what the egusi looks like with Semo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you next time.